Kung gusto niyong malaman kung saan kayo mas mag-e-excel at mas mag-grow when it comes to your career, your money, your finances, in astrology, makikita natin yan by looking at your natal chart. So, kailangan kasi if magbabasa ka ng natal chart, you need the exact time of birth, place of birth. Yun yung mga importanteng detalye. Kasi ang alam lang natin, date of birth natin for some of us. Although yung iba nakikita yan sa birth certificate or alam lang ng parents mo. So you can ask them. So in astrology, yung mga indicators ng career, finances, sources of income. Makikita yan, number one, sa second house, which is the house of money, possessions. Ito yung support mo kasi yan eh. Second house is supporting the first house, which is about yourself. So it's about pag-discover ng abilities mo, talents mo, at kung paano ka gumalaw when it comes to having your resources and how you make money. And then, another area of life is yung sixth house. Yung sixth house is your daily routine. Ito yung paano ka mag-grind. Araw-araw, this is your, kumbaga, this is your attitude towards work. If you are someone na uh, malakas ang loob, o kaya naman, someone na medyo parang tatamad-tamad, so you will see it, no? So you can use that energy to support your possessions, your money, your resources. And then another thing is yung 10th house. 10th house is your legacy. 10th house is the career, okay? Your career, your legacy. So ito yung may iwan mo. This is how you will be known for dahil yun yung dun ka nakilala. Yun yung naging legacy mo nga, no? And another naman is support rin siya, which is your 8th house. 8th house is how you will make money through other people, like shared finances. So, pwedeng, ito yung mga mana, o kaya nakapag-asawa ka. So, how you are going to share the money with your partner or can be sa business rin. So, yun yung mga key factors. And for the planets, you also have to look for uh, Venus, kasi Venus is the planet of money, also abundance, aside from being the planet of love. And then also Jupiter, kasi si Jupiter is luck, expansion, knowledge. So, doon mo pwedeng mas i-broaden yung knowledge mo. Siyempre, di ba? Knowledge is power and money is power. And then another thing, lot of fortune. So yung lot of fortune, yun yung area of life na magbibigay sa'yo ng swerte or nandoon yung um, additional energy for you to make money and to be lucky in that field kung yun yung i-explore mo. So maganda talaga na magpa-read kayo ng chart ninyo kasi it's more on like diving deeply and aligning yourself kung saan ka mas mag excel at mas magiging madali para sa'yo kasi hindi ka na nalilito. Alam mo na ito na yung direction na tatahakin mo. Although, hindi siya totally absolute kasi pwede siyang iba't ibang field pero same energy. For example, your 10th house is Sagittarius. So, Sagittarius rules learning, teaching, mentoring, pwede ring higher knowledge like the occult, spirituality, ganon. Or working abroad. So, marami siyang branches na pwedeng maging career path mo. Pwede ka maging teacher, pwede ka maging spiritual coach, advisor, or nasa business ka ng travel agency, things like that, okay? Or being professor. So, marami siyang uh, differentiation, kumbaga. So, doon na magpi-play out yung mga aspects na nagsusupport doon sa certain energy na yon. Okay? So, like for example ako, I have 10,000 Sagittarius. Meron akong stellium sa Sagittarius. So, ang career ko is about higher learning, astrology, numerology, tarot. And the ruler nun is nasa 10th house ko rin. So, mas may growth talaga. Okay? And prior to becoming an astrologer, tarot reader, occultist, is naging teacher ako. So, alam niyo, gets niyo na meron siyang similarities and as you move further, mas nakikita mo kung kumbaga may growth kasi nakikita mo doon na ito pala align din to sa dati kong work pero nag-iba lang ng field pero same yung vibe or same yung energy. So that's about astrology. Hindi talaga siya like super specific but the energy of that thought or that archetype ay yun yung nagma-manifest or nagma-manifest sa'yo. And then for my sixth house, this is Leo. So sixth house, Leo, Leo kasi is the boss energy. So hindi talaga ako hindi talaga ako nagiging successful kapag nasa rank and file. So mas nag-excel ako if I am the one who is in control or I am the one who is the boss. Kaya nga um, mas naging maayos or mas tumagal ako sa career na ako yung boss. Like, I am my own boss. Something like that. And my second house naman is Aries. So, every time na I am inspired, every time na I take action, that's how I make money. So, talagang something na kailangan kong effortan. But whenever I do the effort, I make the effort, money comes easily. So that's it. That's how you can check kung you are in alignment of your destiny pagdating sa career or how you make money.